like everyone else is concerned about your own scars. She's like, yay!
Everyone seems to be scared of me.
To not.
Oh, that was so cool.
There you go.
Look, Daddy's twice! It's three times!
Spin it, Scott, spin it round! Oh, weird!
I've got more in my hands.
He's off again.
Look at that!
Whoa!
How cool was that? Look!
Now Scarlet.
Yeah. Again, yeah. No, it's alright.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Where is it? Oh. Wow. Beautiful. That's the fountain, isn't it? Hey! Hey! I'm not falling over yet. I'm disappointed. Oh shit!
That was near the house.
Shit.
They're really angry.
That is near the house again.
Oh shit. No, not the house. Slightly worried.
Not the burglar alarm again.
So close!
I can't leave it. Hold on. Yeah! Ooh. Hey! Oh God! Please don't fall! Everyone's cowering! Look! Oh God!
Oh, that's good. Oh shit.
Hey! Woo!
You can explain the park, can't you?
Gonna set the bush on fire. Was that? Oh.